Our bite of the week comes from a bystander who witnessed the PNP vigil at Sam Sharp Square in Montego Bay.
Now he spoke about the protest on corruption. Here's our bite of the week.
Bite of the week.
And I noticed the PNP is going around talking about clean up corruption and Andrew Holness about corruption. But in my opinion, PNP cannot come to Montego Bay or to Jamaica in Perth come speak about corruption. They can't come and tell me to clean up the garbage out of my yard when their yard are so full of garbage. When my yard is clean and their yard is full of garbage, the virus and whatever going still continue going spread. So they don't have the moral authority to come tell me about garbage when their yard is also full of garbage. And the placard that they have here this morning, I would like to see the Mandeville Parish Council scandal on that too, and then they will be speaking to the people. You can't come and talk about one side while you also have the same epidemic.
Bite of the week.